So here we are outside the former Barton ambulance building. There's the entry door I just took you through, the 2-bay garage on the front portion of the building, and that is the 3rd bay garage on the far side. Paved parking lot, nice metal roof, actually very nicely maintained properties all around. There is the main road, so easy access to I-91. There's another neighboring property. Side entry into that 3rd bay garage. And the 12-foot door. Outside water spigot. Backyard. Antenna. And the generator. Building's in really great shape. Not very old. August 14th is the preview day, 2 to 4. Call if you want to get in ahead of time or after if you missed the open house. Auction is on August 27th at 10 a.m. So this is the entry into the Barton ambulance building. There is a kitchen which needs to be installed. We've just placed it there. It used to be exactly here. There's an office to the left which is ready to roll. Everything in this room will stay with the building. There's another set of cabinets, and there's some ceiling tiles, and the covers for the baseboard are in there. There's another office here on the left. Both have doors. A 3rd office to the right. Down the hall to the right, there is a bathroom with a full handicap shower. There's the bars. As you can see, half the walls are gone. There was a pipe that burst and flooding occurred, and the bank has taken care of all of that, the plumbing, and gotten it fixed, but they're not doing the walls because someone may want to do something different. This was the office and also the technical room, the phones, the IT, and some storage over here. Coming back out into the hallway, a locking door which was a restricted area. Right, we have the 2-bay garage which houses one of the ambulances. And there are 2 garage doors, 1, 2. That does have access into the 3rd bay, but we're going to continue down the hall this way and do the interior where the offices are. A back exit entrance. Out here is where the generator is located. If I can open this up, I'll show you. Here's the backyard, quite pleasant. There's the generator and the neighbors. This was a hallway with a closet to hang all of their uniforms, some lockers, and then here we had a room for overnight stays. Could be another office easily, as could one of these rooms. Coming out to the right is the final 3-bay, the 3rd bay in the garage portion, and this looks like it has a 12-foot door. Again, concrete slab. And to the left, or to the right, we walked by a half bath, a 3/4 bath with a smaller shower in it. So just a wonderful building for the right business. Hope you can come and check it out in person on August 14th.